Very good. And 3.
3.
And then we put also milk powder.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
Since
before,
if walang condense or evap,
yeah,
let's put at kahit
3 powder. And after we'll blend.
right. At least 2 scoops.
Yeah. And you can blend until 15 seconds. You can blend
And also at least 2 scoops of
sugar.
sugar. 1 and 2.
And then you can blend on 15 minutes.
And let's
Yeah.
put at least some
Water.
yeah, a little water. Para mag-move yung ating mixture. Mixture?
Mixture.
Ay, nasa yung takip?
Na dito sa kitchen yung takip.
Nawawala ang takip. Hala. Ay, dito pa. Malapit na ako madulas dito.
Ready to blend.
And then, very easy. Ayan. And as simple as that, meron na tayong buko pandan mixture and love and everything.
Baby.
Bye-bye. Ayan. For the mommy.
Yes.
It's time for the mommy. Pero let's taste. It's very creamy, kuya. Like a milk and a pandan.
So creamy.
It's the buko pandan.
Buko pandan shake.
Amber,
Ha.
okay.
Okay.